Starting a business can feel overwhelming with countless tasks and decisions to make. You may struggle to know where to start or how to organize your journey. The good news is that with the right plan, it's possible to launch a solid business within just 30 days. In this video, you'll learn how to start a business in 30 days by breaking down the process into manageable daily tasks that will bring you closer to your dream. Step number 1. Your first 5 days will be dedicated to business idea generation and market research. The first step is generating business ideas and researching your potential market. Think about your passions, skills, and interests to find ideas that align with your values. Research market trends, competition, and customer needs. Identify pain points your target audience experiences and see how your product or service could provide a unique solution. This foundational work ensures your business idea is both feasible and marketable. Step number 2. From day 6 to 10, you need to work on business plans, structure, and location. Once your idea is solidified, it's time to develop a business plan and determine your business structure. Your plan should include mission statement, detailed goals, a market analysis, and financial projections. Decide whether your business will be a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation, and register your business name. Your business name should be distinctive, memorable, and reflective of your brand identity. Check for availability at local, state, and federal levels. Secure domain names for your website and ensure no trademarks conflict with your choice. Crafting a business plan will serve as a roadmap to navigate future challenges. Next, think about business location. Selecting a location is vital, whether you need a physical storefront or an office space. Factors to consider include accessibility, foot traffic, nearby competitors, and operational costs. For online businesses, optimize your virtual presence and ensure reliable shipping logistics. If you need business loans, then determine the amount you need and understand the purpose of the loan, whether it's for equipment purchase, working capital, or business expansion. Next, conduct thorough research to identify the types of loans available, from traditional bank loans to small business administration loans, online lenders, or microloans. Once your application is submitted, be patient, as processing times can vary. Step number 3. From day 11 to 15, it's time to focus on branding and marketing. A strong brand and marketing strategy will help you stand out in the marketplace. Create a memorable logo, select a color palette, and develop a compelling brand message that resonates with your target audience. Design a marketing plan that incorporates both online and offline strategies, and think about social media channels, email marketing, and content marketing to build brand awareness and attract customers. Make sure to allocate a realistic budget to each marketing activity. Determine the internal and external resources required for implementation, including staff, freelancers, software, and advertising costs. For machines and equipment, choose technology that aligns with your production requirements and is scalable as your business grows. Investing in high-quality equipment minimizes downtime and maintenance costs. Consider your financial constraints by exploring lease options or purchasing second-hand equipment to reduce upfront expenses. Building strong relationships with trusted suppliers can yield favorable pricing and consistent delivery, which is crucial in maintaining uninterrupted operations. Establish reliable relationships with suppliers and vendors to ensure consistent production and delivery. Step 4. Now, from day 16 to 20, work on legal requirements and financial planning. This step includes obtaining necessary licenses, permits, as well as setting up your finances. Consult local regulations and secure licenses, permits, or certifications specific to your industry. Open a business bank account and consider hiring an accountant. Budget your expenses carefully, including startup costs and ongoing expenses. Implementing an accounting system early will simplify tax season and ensure financial stability. Consider business insurance to protect your company from potential lawsuits or disasters. General liability, product liability, and professional liability insurance are some common types that could safeguard your business. Develop a comprehensive financial plan that includes sales forecasts, expense budgets, and cash flow projections for at least 1 to 2 years. Sales forecasts should be realistic and consider seasonally or market trends. Expense budgets must account for fixed costs like rent and salaries, and variable costs like shipping or raw materials. Cash flow projections will help you monitor whether your business is consistently able to meet its obligations. An emergency fund is also advisable to cover any unexpected shortfalls. Step number 5. Between day 21 to day 25 is a perfect time to build your online presence. In today's digital age, having an online presence is crucial. Set up a professional website that showcases your products or services and make it easy for potential clients to contact you and learn about your business. Your website is your digital storefront and often the first place where your potential customers interact with your business. Ensure it's visually appealing, user-friendly, and mobile responsive. Prioritize fast load times, clear navigation, and a compelling homepage that captures visitors' attention. Create social media profiles on platforms your audience uses most frequently and start posting engaging content. This online groundwork will position your brand for success as you approach your launch date. And step number 6. On day 26 to 30, it's time to move on for launch preparation and execution. This final step is preparing for your business launch. Developing a launch strategy that generates buzz and attracts your target audience. Develop a launch strategy that generates buzz and attracts your target audience. Offer limited time promotions, host an event, or partner with local influencers to spread the word. Ensure your website, social media profiles, and marketing materials are all aligned. Execute your plan with confidence and be ready to adapt based on customer feedback. And last, ask for expert advice before launching your business. Also, be prepared for risks like economic downturns, supply chain disruptions, or data breaches. Create backup plans for critical business functions. Financial reserves or insurances can minimize damage and prevent your business from failure. Check out these 20 documents required to start a business in 30 days by breaking down the process into manageable daily tasks that will bring you closer to your dream. At last, if you found value in this content, please show your support by liking this video and subscribe to this channel. Also, press that notification bell to get more videos. Thanks for watching.